Good afternoon, Miss. Today I will be present about verbs at works. And firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Rifki Reza Mesa, and I'm from informatics. And here I will present about uh, reviewing action verbs and linking verbs, subject verb agreement, and subjunctive mode verb tense. Uh, Firstly, we have action verbs versus linking verbs. For the action verbs is describe action performed by the subject of the sentence. This action can be physical or mental. For the physical, we have run, jump, ride, and dance. For the example, she runs every morning. Or the second example is they wrote a letter. For the mental, we have think, believe, consider, know. For the example is he thinks deeply about the problem, or we believe in equality. The secondly is linking verbs. Linking verbs connects the subject to additional information about the subject, often a subject complement, which can be adjective, noun, or pronoun. Common linking verbs be am, is, are, was, were. Seem, become, appear, feel, look, sound, taste. For the example is she is a doctor. Here is links the subject she to the subject complement doctor. For the second example is the soup tastes delicious. Here the taste links soup to adjective delicious. The next one we have a subject verb agreement. For the verbs, subject verb agreement is a fundamental rule in English grammar that ensures the verb in a sentence matches the subject in number, singular or plural. In other words, if the subject of a sentence is singular, the verb must also be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. The next rule of subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement mean that the subject and verb in a sentence must agree in number, singular or plural. For the rules, the first is singular subject takes singular verbs. Singular. The dog barks. And next, she runs every morning. For the plural subject, take plural verbs. The dogs bark or the day runs every morning. For the special case, the first subject joined by n usually take plural verbs. For the example, the cat and the dog are playing. Secondly, is subject joined by or and not or. Take a verb that agrees with the subject closest to it. For example, neither the teacher nor or the student were ready. The next example is neither the student, no students, or the teacher was ready. Okay. Next is subjunctive mode. The subjunctive mode is a grammatical mode used to express wishes, hypothetical situation, demands, suggestion, or condition contrary to fact. It often appears in subordinate clause beginning with if, that, unless, whether, etc. And is typically used in specific contexts. Here's a detail look at the subjunctive mode. For the example, first present subjunctive. Use the best form of the verb infinitive without to. The example is it is essential that he be on time, or they suggested that she go to the doctor. Next is past subjunctive. For the verb to be, use where for all subject. If I were you, I will study more. Where is replace to be in here. Okay, the next example is I wish she were here. Same for the example one, where the next is for other verbs, use the simple past form. If he knew the answer, he would tell us. The example about subjunctive mode. First, as wishes. I wish I were taller. For the hypothetical, if she were the president, she would make change. For demands and suggestion, the manager insists that he be punctual. Okay, next. Here is the conclusion of the presentation. The first action verb describe action performed by the subject, whether physical or mental, making sentence dynamic and clear. Example like she runs every morning and he thinks deeply about the problem. Illustrate their importance in conveying specific action. Next, linking verbs. On the other hand, connect the subject to additional information, often describe a state of being or condition. Sentence such as she is a doctor and the soup tastes delicious. So how linking verbs help in defining and describing the subject more precisely. Next is understanding subject-verb agreement is fundamental for grammatical correctness. Singular subject must pair with singular verbs and plural subject with plural verbs. Special case such as subject joined by and or not or require careful attention to ensure the verbs agrees with the appropriate subject. As seen in example like the cat and the dog are playing, and neither the student and or the teacher was ready. The last one is the subjunctive mode is crucial for expressing wishes, hypothetical situation, demand, or suggestion. Using the best form of the verbs in the present subjunctive, it is essential that he be on time. And where for all subject in the past subjunctive. If I were you, I will study more. Allows for precise and nuanced communication. It's all for the presentation and thank you for your attention.